5 money habits keeping you broke. Stop doing these. Welcome to WealthNex, the place where smart money habits turn into financial freedom. If you're ready to grow your wealth and escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle, you're in the right place. Have you ever wondered why no matter how hard you work, your bank account still feels empty? It's not always about how much you make, it's about how you manage it. Today, I'll reveal 5 money habits that are secretly keeping you broke, and how to break free. Stick with me until the end, because the last one is the most dangerous. Habit number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. Spending your entire salary before the next payday traps you in endless stress. Even if you earn more, your expenses rise with it. The fix is simple: save at least 10% of your income before spending anything. Pay yourself first and you'll start to build financial breathing room. Habit number 2, relying on credit for lifestyle. Buying new phones, clothes, and fancy dinners on credit may look good now, but interest payments silently destroy your future. Instead of impressing others today, focus on impressing your future self. Only use credit for what you can pay off immediately. Habit number 3, not tracking expenses. Have you ever asked yourself, where did my money go? Subscriptions, snacks, and small purchases drain your account faster than you think. The fix is easy: track your spending with a budgeting app or even a notebook. Awareness is the first step to taking control. Habit number 4, ignoring emergency savings. Life happens, cars break down, jobs are lost, and medical bills appear out of nowhere. Without savings, debt becomes your only option. Start small. Even $500 can be a safety net that keeps you from financial disaster. And finally, habit number 5, not investing in your future. Saving money feels safe, but inflation is stealing from you every day. The wealthy don't just save, they invest. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or a side hustle, investing makes your money work for you and helps it grow long term. Let's quickly recap: living paycheck to paycheck, relying on credit, not tracking expenses, ignoring emergency savings, and failing to invest. These are the 5 habits that keep you broke. Which one are you guilty of? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss tips on building financial freedom. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter with your money. Thanks for watching WealthNex, where we turn money lessons into money growth. Stay smart, stay focused, and keep building your wealth. See you in the next video.